Where'd you go?
Hello, this is Alex Bowman FB, and I've been wanting to do some more tutorials and such like that on various things, but the troubles I've been having is microphone quality and some video quality issues. So I'm using Camstudio Recorder. I was thinking about just like cracking Camtasia, but this is really good, so I don't think I'm gonna. So if you can see right here, my input rate is about 20 FPS, which isn't bad, but it's not the best either. So um yeah, so the mouse isn't too laggy. Um, yeah, I'm using the Camstudio Lossless codec, which is pretty good. Here's the dimension I'm using. It's roughly the same dimension as a YouTube video. And, yeah, that's about it for that stuff. I suppose I could show you some more stuff. Has the quality on 100 and the max frame rate on max. And I have this, original frames and stuff that it automatically comes with, because I think it's the best. And yeah, I have a fixed region on, and I have auto pan enabled, and I'm getting my audio from the microphone, which the audio is the big thing that I'm worrying about at the moment. But hopefully everything is okay. I'm having a couple issues that when I start Camstudio for a while, it has the loading thing next to my mouse for the entire video. So yeah, that's pretty bad, but yeah, I'm basically just showing you stuff, and I want you guys to tell me if it's good. Here's a generator I was gonna make a tutorial on. If you're wondering, I made this in Visual Basic. I've been starting to program a little. Yeah, you have to choose one. It loads it. Of course, it doesn't actually work. It's fake, but you get the point. I don't really know how to put in random letters. Well, I know how to, but it'll take a very long time. So for now, it just generates random numbers, and of course, it doesn't generate new seeds either. So it'll be the same random amount every time. But I'm not sure someone would notice something like that. But yeah, that's about it. Yeah, comment, rate, and subscribe.